Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. As you can see, it's something to do with mechanical. This video is all about, you've seen in the last video about the overfill of the oil. I'm not holding it against the dealership because it takes such a long time for these bikes to drain, especially the Ducati. I've had this draining overnight and I let it drain completely where it was just slowly dripping and everything like that, and then I put another tray under it, and you'd be surprised how much oil actually come out of it overnight. I'll give you an idea. That's how much oil come out overnight with the bike sitting there dripping and that. I also took the oil line out, which that also went into there as well, which I've never seen anyone do, but I was always taught if you're going to do something, do it to the best of your ability, and to me that's to the best of my ability. Disconnect all the oil lines and drain them. But what I also did too, guys, I leaned the bike right over to this side where I was holding it, just holding it for about, oh mate, I've done it so many times, and then I picked the bike back up, put it onto the other side again, put it into the middle. But if you want to get it into the middle, what I use, 70 by 35, straight down there, pick the bike up, slide that under there like that, push the bike back towards you, let it go, it's safe. And as you can see, she's pretty well straight. You just jiggle it a little bit over, but this wasn't dripping, right? You wait and see, it'll probably still drip some more. Let's see, we'll check in the meantime, but it'll probably drip again. But this is the company that this bad girl picks. That's me R competition, absolutely awesome bike. The Mad H2, that's pumping 248 to the rear wheel. The single M, the MV, and also the Rocket TFC, the limited edition Rocket. That's also limited edition. That's only 300 of those in the world. The Rocket TFC, that's 750 of those in the world. That's 186 brake horsepower, but 240 newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. So it's just a beast. But we'll get back to this. What I've done too, guys, I've used the proper Ducati oil. The dealer gave me that because I said I would do the oil change, so I wanted to leave it overnight, which was really good. They didn't charge me, so they shouldn't because they overfill. But as I said, these bikes take so bloody long to drain, it's unbelievable. What I've done, because these bikes are different, they're running a skid plate. The reason I didn't do it, the dismantle, was because I wasn't sure how to do it, and now I know how to do it, so I'll be able to fill use in, so it'll help use out. To give you an idea, I'll bring this filter down, save me doing it. That's the other oil there that I've already opened up. The nuts that go onto the bottom of this here binger are like this. And when I looked at that being in there like that, I was going, how the fuck do I get that off? It's a bolt, as you can see, but it's an Allen key, an M5 Allen key. And what I've done also, these are new rubbers that the dealers put in at the time they did the oil change. You see, there you go, it's dripping now. There you go. And it's just dripping there as well. That's how much oil these fucking things drip. And that's the bike leaning up straight. It's unreal, eh? Still dripping. That's 24 hours. Right. So that's why I'm not holding it against them at all. And these go up in there, and then these are an M8. When you take those out, that'll be still stuck in there don't try to pull that down. The M8 bolt screws into there like that, and it's a 125 thread or 1 1/4. If you're not sure, guys, don't take that for gospel from me. Take this to Bunnings or somewhere like that and just try the thread. If it screws into there, it will not go into here. And then, as you can see, when you screw it up and you screw them up all evenly, it pulls that down. Don't try to get something in there and jam it down, because you'll only fuck it. I'll get the bike off the sides stand to level it over a bit more so I can work on it. Right, the new filter. Naturally, the closed end goes to the bottom, the top goes, rubber ring goes to the top, bit of oil around the top, and then that there, I'll move this, see it's still dripping? It's unbelievable how much fucking oil sits up in the top of the motor, and that just pops up and will hold. Look, it's still going, unreal, blows me away. Now this here, you got to make sure that it goes the right way, and that should just push up a bit, just jiggle it. And what I did with that too, guys, I put grease on it as well, pretty well up. Then these naturally screw into here. What to do too, guys, is when you screw these up, you screw them up evenly. Perfect. Then bolt with a crush washer on it, magnetic one, bit of oil, nice and clean with that wax and grease remover I use to clean all the parts. That there I'm pretty sure is a 14. Yep. Just nip it a bit. That's that. And then a little bit of oil around this ring here. See, I can't believe it, it's still bloody dripping. Unreal, eh? Might take this glove off now so I don't get oil all over that line. Then that there just pops in, just give it a jiggle. There you go, just pops in like that. Give it a little wipe. Then all that is, guys, do that up. This little bad boy, just like that. Donker sits over the top. Happy days. Now you know 100% there's no oil on the, no oil in the bike. I'll put this over here so you get a better view. Just goes over there like this. Yeah, that's 5mm as well. Just nipped up. After it's in, just give it a little nip. It can't go up any further. Doesn't have to be like that tight that you strip the damn thing. Here, I just nip them either way. You can torque them to 16 Newton meters. Just do your own homework on that. I'm happy to just do it like this, guys. Just needs to nip up like that. Also the 14. Put on the side. I just nip it down and go. That's it. Then these screws here, guys, are for the skid plate that goes in under here. Long ones are the front ones and the short ones are the back ones. Give everything a wipe down. But it was amazing how much oil still come out of it, eh? Blew me away. Everything's nice and clean. Beautiful. Right. When you take this skid plate off, it's got these two little clips there that you can see. See just down here, 1, 2, and the little clamp over the front. They've got to go on first. That one there is for there, and this one here is for there. This goes into there, and the other one clips into there as well. Hey guys, I got it back on. It was a little bit tricky. The hoses are all there, as you can see, clipped on. What I did to get these on is I actually just pulled these two bottom covers out a little bit and then slid it in. They got like a little, you can just see it there, like, I'll pull it out. See the little clip? And that goes out there like that. And then I'll show you, clips in like that. And then screw it back up. Whoops, sorry guys. Knocked over the little tripod, and then it all screws back up in here. I didn't take that center hose off because I got it out of the road anyhow. But righto, I'll put these screws back in and let's see how we go. These are a little, what do they call these? I don't know, whatever they are, as sort of, see the star shape, and it's saying it's a TX25, and that goes straight up to here. Short one, I just stick it on like that, hold her up. Right, now we put the oil in. I'll fill it with 3 litres to start with. That's supposed to take 3.2 litres. So I'll do 3 litres, start the bike up, let it get warm, and then check it in about an hour or so. Let you know how we go. Righto guys, the moment of truth. I filled it up with 3 litres. Let's see what it looks like on the window. Chock block that way. Naturally, because the bike's just full at the sump at the moment. The moment of truth, starting her up. Righto guys, bike's been running for about, I'd say 15 minutes. You can hear the fans all cut in. This is the second time I've run it. I'm actually at 3.200 mils, exactly what the manufacturers recommend, because the oil was just a little bit low. We'll see after it cools down. Righto guys, it's been now another 40 minutes, I'd say, easy, and it's taken 3.2 litres, exactly what the manual has said. But it is spot on the oil level mark. But take into consideration too, guys, that I drained the oil line. So not drain the oil line, it'll probably take a touch less. So always probably only allow 3 litres and work up from that. But I hope you enjoyed everything so far. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing that and giving the video a like. I love how you've all been doing comments, guys. Hats off to you. Thank you. And I'm pretty sure I've replied to everyone. And if you ever come to the sunny coast, look me up and I'll take you out on some nice roads. But that's all her done now. I don't blame the dealer, because you've seen how much oil come out of it being overnight. So thanks for watching, guys. Ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.